2012 and I'm here in Shangri-La Mall and I'm on my way to work. And yes, people are looking at me because I'm vlogging. Sorry, say, inunahan na kita. Okay, so I'm on my way to work and I'm haggard over so that way. And for some reason, people are looking at me because I'm talking to a camera. Well, I don't care. Yeah, that's why. Oh, my eye itches. Okay, let's go. I don't know what it is with people and vlogging. Like, video vlogging or vlogging is just a way of people to express themselves. But other people, especially here in the Philippines, they really regard it as a weird norm. Like, people who are weird do it, like I do. So I don't really know why people don't know about the culture of vlogging. Maybe because I've been watching YouTube for a long time, that's why, you know, I'm kind of used to it already. So, I don't know, like, a lot of people still stare at me when I do these videos because it's not really the normal thing people would do. You wouldn't walk and talk on a camera at the same time because that's a hazardous thing. But if you're good at it, why not do it? So I'm on my way to work. If you notice, like, there are people walking behind me and also walking beside me, and there are cars parking and stuff like that. So I don't know, like, I think you can call me shameless because of that. So yeah, people may call me shameless because of vlogging. I don't care. That's it. I'm gonna bring out my bowl and my, where is it, plates. My bowl and plates. I'll be eating like bowls today. Apes, are you gonna go down later? You always don't know, Apes. You always don't know. Drama. It's hard to look right at you, baby. I'm singing it again. So call me maybe. Hey, I just met you. There you go. It's kind of hard to eat in this station. It really is. Tapas #1. Okay, so let me just do this. Okay, so right now I am in my coach's station. Yeah, I'm using her station for now because I will be doing demo class. I will be a student, so I'm gonna shoot that video while I'm having class. Is it possible? Let me check. Is it? No, it's not possible. So I'm just put it here. But it's not pantay. Uy! Uy! I'm killing this camera little by little. Let me just do this. Mommy, it's okay.
It's just me.
It's okay, Mommy. It's a vlog. It's supposed to be random.
Okey-dokey.
That's Mommy Renee. That's one of my mommies here at work. So yeah. Is my mic working? Let me see. Hello? Yabu? Yabu sa'yo? Yabu sa'yo? There's no mute. Oh. I pressed the wrong button. Yeah. Hey guys! Okay, so I'm going down to get some money So yeah. Why is it pressed going up? Okay, so I'm gonna go down, withdraw some money, and I have 1 hour break, so I'm gonna consume it all. Yeah. Okay, so right now I'm just on my way to withdraw cash, and yes, I'm in Ortigas. So here in Ortigas, there's actually not a lot of discrimination when you're vlogging because there's a lot of foreigners here. So yeah, I noticed there are some foreigners that vlog here. I wasn't able to what do you call this, approach them because I'm too shy. So I just came back from Tech Night. Wasn't able to vlog because there's a lot of people. So I just bought myself snack, zagu, and donut. But I'm gonna share the donut because I'm not feeling too well. Sir Leslie, what is the phrase of the day?
No job
No, not that. The other one. How are you today?
Good job, no job.
This is PG from PG-13. I made it R18.
R18.
Sorry guys. Today is a Friday.
Yeah.
Oh, Teacher Leslie, have you gotten your salary?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah. Okay.
From the look of your face.
From the
Good job, Lojab. From PG-13, it's now R18. I will put that on the description. Guys, this is an R18 video. It contains sexual lingos and preferences that may not be suitable for young audiences. Parental guidance is advised. TV! This is Leslie. She's one of my seatmates. And this is and this is the server. So if we're pissed off, we're just gonna pull that blue plug. Everything's gonna be okay. And this is the aircon, the very very infamous aircon, the Coppel aircon, which I actually store my water sometimes here, and it will get cold honestly. There's my other office mates. There's the mommy that you saw earlier. And this is my view of the office of Ortigas. Guess what today's K-pop Friday post is for? Oh yeah, it's the Gangnam Style. I've been watching this video for a long time, and I like this actually. I like Gangnam Style. It's very very sorry for that. It's very different because this guy over here, this guy Sai, he's actually more of like a novelty singer, but his songs are always on top when he releases a song. Like, I remember his last song was Right Now. I'm gonna put a video link of that on my blog post as well. So yeah, so I'm gonna go now and do some vlog because I have 7 minutes and I can actually make a blog post within 7 minutes. So let's begin. Marjorie, 소개하자.
안녕하세요. 저는 마주리입니다.
할머니.
반갑습니다.
할머니.
야, 싫어.
싫어. 안 돼? 뭐야?
Welcome to my old town.
올다? 어디?
Town in Korea. Cheonan.
Cheonan?
This is Todamgol. It's actually Chinese restaurant but then I don't know.
Introduce yourself. 소개하자. 안녕하세요. You say 나는 What? You say? 카메라.
이거 지금 뭐
Hey guys. Okay, so this is the last vlog that I'll be making for today. It's August 17. Actually, it's August 18 already. So, I have the cold right now. I have been coughing since like yesterday. And I don't feel good. Like, honestly, I want to go to bed now, but I want to go to sleep because my body feels so heavy. And I'm like catching my breath. And that's one thing I know about myself when I'm sick, is that I catch my breath when I'm sick. Like, I'm always like that. this, even if I don't run, or even if I don't, walk a distance. If I'm sick, I'm like this. So I will have to go to sleep. In a while, I'm actually just checking my Facebook account, my Twitter account, my vlog, my everything else, because before I go to sleep, I actually do that. I will be posting a new tutorial maybe on Sunday or later, but I'm gonna go out early today, so yeah, later in the day, because I'm gonna have lunch with my office mates. So yeah. Oh my god, like seriously, I am not feeling well. Like I want to puke. Usually when I'm sick, I vomit, but I don't really, like my body's saying that you have to vomit, but I cannot get to that point that I will really have to vomit. So I'm still, testing my limits before I go to bed, because I don't want to go to bed like feeling that I didn't do something. So yeah. Okay. Sorry if the last video in this vlog is so bad. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please go on the comment box, and I'll talk to you guys soon, okay? Bye!